does it all. My name is Wendy, and I want to give you a big thank you for taking time out of your busy day to visit with me. Today's video is a very special one. This is a Secret Santa collab video. So I partnered with some wonderful women, my besties, Life as Michelle, Positively Giselle, and Ivy Howell. So after this video, don't forget to head over to their channels to check out who their Secret Santa was and to see what it is that they received. I think that we all need a little bit of extra Christmas joy and Christmas spirit going on, and this definitely has been a very fun month for me so far. I partnered with these same women last week to do a hot cocoa / coffee bar. And so we've just been feeling the spirit of Christmas here in my house, from the decorating to videoing to lots of family activities to really bring in the spirit of Christmas. So if you haven't already, go and check out that video and then go see my friends' videos to see how their stations turned out. So without further ado, we're going to check out this package that I received. So I have not yet looked inside. I did cut it open, but that's it. And I did notice on the label that this is from Ivy Howell. So thank you, Ivy Howell. Thank you, Ivy, in advance for sending this to me. I'm really excited to see what's inside, guys. But wait, before we continue with this, let me share with you guys. This here is something that you have to try. It's a must. This is a Mexican traditional drink during the December month. This is called Ponche. So it's a Mexican ponche, which is like a punch. It's made with a lot of different fruits, and it's a warm drink, so it's meant to be like a very warm, cozy, comforting type drink for the winter months. And guess what, guys? You can also put a little kick to it. So if you are serving this to adults and you want that extra kick in it, you can add rum to it, you can add whiskey, tequila, mezcal to it. Or if you want the kid-friendly PG version like mine today, it's just a drink all by itself and it tastes just as good. It has some great ingredients like sugar cane, and it has piloncillo in it, which is like brown sugar, but it comes in a cone and it's hardened, so you use that. And a bunch of other delicious things like cinnamon, and as you can tell, all ingredients that really bring warmth during the holiday season. So stay tuned till the end so that you can check out how I made this, because I think this might be something new you try this year. Why not, right? 2020, what do you have to lose? You could just make it better, right? So if you don't mind, I'm gonna have a sip. It is so good. By the way, check out this cute mug. I wanted to put it in this because it has more of that traditional Mexican look to it. And it's actually from Durango, Mexico. It was a gift that my husband and I received from a friend of the family. So I wanted to use something a little bit more traditional. And I just love this drink, guys. So anyway, let's move on to the opening, okay? Oh my goodness. Check this out, guys. This suede journal. I love it. I love the suede feel to it. This is perfect because you know how mom life gets. There's like a million thoughts going on in here. Sometimes I can't keep them straight. So having something like this for me to write down, journal in, and really gather all of my thoughts, this is awesome. Thank you, Ivy. And there's more. Who doesn't like opening gifts, right? No matter how old you are, it's always a fun thing. So this is a customizable journal for planning your best life. Oh my goodness. You have what it takes. Amen to that. I love that. Thank you, Ivy. Oh my. Lip gloss high shine collection. Check this out. Oh yes. I love this color right here for the cold winter months. My daughter, by the way, sitting over there is eyeing this. Ivy, Tell her you sent this to me and not to her. You know how mom life is. Kids take everything.
I'm looking at Belle right now, and I think I want to do makeup right after this and steal your lip gloss.
Oh my goodness. I love this color. Ivy must have known. Faith over fear. That is a great motto to live by. Faith over fear. Faith over fear definitely takes practice. It's not something that is easily done like from one day to the next. And I think that it really comes from just spending time talking to God. You know, everyone has their own personal relationship with God. And I think the more you talk to him and the more you incorporate him in your day-to-day, the easier it becomes to have faith and to trust in him to have your back. So definitely doable, right? Check this out, guys. This is an eye and lip makeup collection. So we got some eyeshadow, lip gloss, eyeliner. I love that. This is a great little set. Love it. Thank you, thank you. And last but not least, oh, how cute is this? Have a Jolly Christmas vanilla cookie scent. So this is actually a candle warmer. Look at this, and it comes with a little candle. So cute. I love it. Beautiful. Thank you, Ivy. And of course, she sent a sweet card, I'm sure. Big Christmas love. And big Christmas hugs too. Merry Christmas, Wendy. I pray that God blesses you and your family. Blessings. Thank you, Ivy. Thank you so much for thinking of me, for sending these things to me. Definitely feeling the love this Christmas. And now it's time to show you guys how it is that I make my ponche. Okay, so here are some of the ingredients we're using for today's ponche. I have, as you can see, peeled already 2 apples. I have sugarcane, piloncillo, tamarindo. We've got some tejocotes and the guava in this special formula to get them all cleaned and ready to use for today's ponche. I have my water already boiling, so we're ready to go ahead and add our cinnamon sticks and the piloncillo. So we're going to be adding in 2 of the piloncillo. If you have the large cones, you can use 1, but since mine are medium, I am using 2, and 4 cinnamon sticks. Alright, so I've gone ahead and washed and rinsed the tejocotes and the guava or the guayaba, whichever you prefer. And I'm going to begin by adding the tejocotes to this delicious aromatic brew that I've got going on here, where the piloncillo and the cinnamon have taken over that plain old water and transformed it into something delicious. Guys, so I just want to put my disclaimer in that this is my version of the Mexican ponche that I make for my family. There are so many different variations. Mexico is a huge country and all the different regions make their own special kind of ponche, as they do with other traditional drinks. So if you've had it any other way or seen it another way, it's definitely a-okay. There are so many, like I said, variations, so this one is my very own. So I have the tamarindo ready, and I've gone ahead and I've also already chopped up the sugar canes. You also want to go ahead and have the apple chopped up as well as the guayaba. Alright, so now we're going to add in the chopped up fruit as well as the tamarindo and the sugar cane. So at this time, you want to go ahead and give it a good stir. And we're also going to be adding in some raisins. Now, my husband is not a fan of raisins, so I'm only adding in this tiny little box. But if you do like raisins, you can add more. People also add prunes into this, so if that's something that you like, you can definitely add that in as well. Alright guys, at this point I'm just giving it a quick stir. I'm going to set it on low heat, cover it up for an hour, and you'll have your delicious ponche. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching.